Investing in Binance Coin can be done in most of the ways you could do other cryptocurrencies. However, thanks to its smaller market and fewer exchanges trading it, some strategies that might be sound or possible when trading large cryptocurrencies won't be feasible here. Buy and hold. The default investment scheme is so described. Purchase when values are low, then sell as the values go up. In a way, BNB was designed for this type of investment. The regular token burn means supply is going down, and as supply goes down, values should go up. The fact that staking will soon be added as a feature on the platform only strengthens this method, as holders will be able to profit from rising prices as well as get rewarded for holding BNB with even more BNB. Of all possible investment methods, this one is easily the most recommendable one for the Binance coin. Ira Investments. Ira Investments are a variation of buy and hold, and therefore BNB is well suited to these two. The coin tends to have a stable price, which should keep your savings from losing value, and the option to stake your BNB long-term and earn more BNB for doing so is tailor-made for retirement investments, which tend to be long-term to begin with. The one problem with using BNB for IRA investments is how few exchanges trade it. If you're managing your IRA investments on your own, that will be no problem, but if you're managing it through an investment house, it might be unable, or unwilling, to perform the investment. This will mean you'll have to do it yourself, which for some people could prove too much of a hassle and an increased risk. Short-term trading. While hardly ideal for short-term trading, Binance Coin has peaks and valleys in its value just as any other cryptocurrency. This means it can be traded short-term and, if one is skilled about it, a decent profit can be made. Many of the strategies used for short-term trading will work. Both short-term purchasing and selling and its more extreme variation, called day trading, can be done with BNB. One notorious exception, however, is the most extreme of short-term investment strategies, leverage. Now, it might be possible to leverage using BNB for day trading. You might be able to find someone willing to lend you the money for it, and some exchanges might even be up for allowing it openly. However, the reduced number of exchanges means it will be much more difficult to pull off this strategy. The fact that BNB's day-to-day fluctuations tend to be smaller than those of other, more volatile cryptocurrencies only serves to highlight this, as you might end up losing money thanks to a market where prices change too little for day trading to be viable, let alone to anchor on leveraging. How to buy Binance Coin. Binance Coin can't be bought just anywhere, although a few large exchanges do allow for it. In this case, we'll explain the process of purchasing BNB via Binance. The process is simple, as eToro is known for being a relatively easy exchange to use. It goes as follows. Step 1. Register your Binance account. You'll be asked for a username and password, although later on, you'll need a few more things for verification. Step 2. Verification is only required if you're moving 2 Bitcoin or more a day. If you want to proceed with it, you'll need a government-approved ID, proof of residence and a selfie of yourself with eToro written on a piece of paper. Step 3. Binance Coin is one of the few tokens eToro allows you to purchase using your credit card. For this, select the Buy with Credit Card option. Step 4. The option will lead you to a page where you can select which token you want to buy with credit card and the amount. Step 5. You'll then be asked for your credit card details. Input them, and the transaction should happen immediately. Step 6. You can now choose to move your BNB to a BNB wallet, or leaving them parked on eToro. eToro is a safe exchange for users, so in the case of a server hack you should be able to keep your crypto. However, if your account gets hacked, you'll be out of luck. Should you invest in Binance Coin? Binance Coin has a bunch of good things going for itself, and it should be a decent to good investment as long as you don't mind betting your money on the exchange itself doing well. Currently, with the exchange being one of the largest crypto exchanges and the company expanding into several branches of crypto development while also pushing for general adoption as much as it can, it's difficult to think any investment made on BNB might lose its value in the short term. Therefore, Binance Coin is a recommended cryptocurrency to add to one's portfolio. Do note that, just as with any other cryptocurrencies, owning BNB will mean you'll need to be wary not just of the BNB prices, but the whole crypto market. Even news unrelated to Binance or its coin can affect the token's price. However, unlike when investing in other tokens, Binance Coin investors do need to be up to date with news about Binance itself and try and have the best grasp about the health of the company. The token will always depend on Binance, so the better the company's fortunes, the more its price should rise, and if the company starts to stumble, the opposite will happen. Lastly, BNB, although a relatively safe investment, comes with a couple extra drawbacks when compared to other cryptocurrencies. Still, its relative stability and the promising future for both the company and its blockchain makes it a good choice for crypto investors.